Ever wondered what the most extravagant residence is in prestige? 1. Beyonce and Jay-Z Mansion, $200 million. Topping our list at a staggering $200 million is the majestic abode owned by music icons Beyonce and Jay-Z, nestled in the picturesque landscapes of Malibu, California. This 30,000 square foot architectural wonder stands as a testament to luxury and sophistication, perched atop an 8-acre bluff overlooking the serene Pacific Ocean on Billionaire's Row. This residence embodies elegance and grandeur like no other. 2. 1819 Kensington Gardens, $222 million. Stepping into the realm of historical grandeur, our journey leads us to the meticulously restored 1819 Kensington Palace Gardens. With a price tag of $222 million, this opulent residence underwent a 5-year restoration project led by Sir David, breathing new life into its 1,845 splendor, adorned with 40-atom fireplaces, and restored to its original glory. This abode now serves as the lavish dwelling of the middle family, epitomizing timeless elegance and heritage. 3. For Fairfield Pond, $250 million. Returning to the shores of the United States, we encounter the sprawling magnificence of Fairfield Pond, owned by billionaire businessman Ira Renard. This Long Island gem boasts a colossal floor area of 110,000 square feet, making it one of the largest residences in the country, with a garage capable of accommodating up to 100 cars. This architectural masterpiece is a testament to unparalleled luxury and extravagance. 4. The Odeon Tower Penthouse, $330 million. Ascending to new heights of luxury, we arrive at the awe-inspiring Odeon Tower Penthouse, nestled in the golden citadel of Monte Carlo, valued at $330 million. This architectural marvel is a testament to modern opulence and sophistication, with its private elevator, multiple floors, and a pool boasting a private water slide. This penthouse redefines the concept of lavish living, offering unparalleled views and amenities. 5. Le Palais Boulle, $420 million. Venturing into the realm of whimsical elegance, we encounter the enchanting Bubble Palace, owned by French fashion designer Pierre Cardin. With its circular rooms overlooking the azure Mediterranean Sea, this palatial residence exudes charm and extravagance, featuring 3 swimming pools, lush gardens, and a 500-seat amphitheater. The Palais Boulle is a true masterpiece of architectural brilliance and artistic flair. 6. Whitehurst, $450 million. Nestled in the affluent neighborhood of Highgate, London lies the majestic Whitehurst, valued at a staggering $450 million. Originally built for English soap baron Arthur Crossfield, this sprawling estate spans 11 acres, offering panoramic views of the city skyline, boasting 25 bedrooms, a glass rotunda, and a 70-foot-long ballroom. Whitehurst stands as a symbol of timeless elegance and refinement. 7. Villa Les Cedars, $450 million. Transporting us to the sun-kissed shores of Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France, is the exquisite Villa Les Cedars, built in 1830 and once owned by King Leopold II of Belgium. This magnificent estate is adorned with 19th-century oil paintings and exquisite crystal chandeliers. With its rich history and unparalleled beauty, Villa Les Cedars is a true masterpiece of architectural splendor and timeless elegance. 8. Villa Leopolda, $750 million. Draped in the allure of the Côte d'Azur, the Villa Leopolda reigns supreme as one of the world's most coveted residences. With a price tag of $750 million, this sprawling estate sprawls over 50 acres of lush landscapes, offering unrivaled luxury and privacy. From its illustrious past as the abode of King Leopold II of Belgium to its modern-day allure, Villa Leopolda stands as a beacon of elegance and prestige. 9. Antilia, $2 billion. Embarking on a journey to Mumbai, India, we encounter the architectural marvel that is Antilia, owned by businessman Mukesh Ambani, India's richest person. This $2 billion residence is a true testament to opulence and extravagance. Spanning 400,000 square feet and boasting 27 floors, Antilia is replete with amenities, including a dedicated ice cream room, health spa, temple, and helipads, offering a glimpse into the world of unparalleled luxury. 10. Buckingham Palace, for $0.9 billion. Crowning our list of the world's most expensive residences is none other than Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarchy, with an estimated value of $4.9 billion. This iconic landmark stands as a symbol of regal splendor and heritage, boasting 775 bedrooms, 78 bathrooms, and 92 offices. Buckingham Palace epitomizes the pinnacle of royal luxury and grandeur, offering a glimpse into centuries of history and tradition, with each residence more extravagant than the last. Our journey through the world's most expensive houses has offered a glimpse into a realm of unparalleled luxury and opulence, from sprawling estates to breathtaking penthouses. These architectural marvels stand as testaments to the boundless imagination and wealth of their owners, inviting us to marvel at their splendor from afar.